Dear students, so we come to the second part of geometrical constructions. Let us see the next topic. The next topic is to draw perpendicular lines. The question is, draw a perpendicular to a given line from a given point within it. That means, say a line is given to you AB as 100 mm, and the point where you have to draw the perpendicular, that, that point P is also given to you. AB is given to you 100 mm and the point P is also given to you. So from point P, how to draw a perpendicular line? Let us see. So first step, let P be the given point on a given line. That point P will be already given to you in the question. Now with P as center, draw an arc cutting AB at M by taking suitable radius. Once you know this question, this will be given the question. So AB is 100 and P is located somewhere. So what you do, take your compass at point P, one end of the compass, fix that is a center, and with the other end, fix your pencil and draw an arc. You take any suitable radius, whatever you like, and draw an arc like this green color from point P. From point P, draw one arc with taking any suitable radius. And this arc will cut the line AB at some point. Name that point as point M, like this. So this arc has cut the line AB at M. Let us see the next step. After you have marked this point M, don't change the radius. Whatever radius you've taken to draw this line, to draw this green color, don't change the radius. What you do, you change the center point. Earlier it was the center was P, now your center will be M. And from center M, you draw one arc with the same radius. The same radius what you've taken to draw this arc, this green color arc, take the same radius and draw another arc, but this time from point M, like this. Draw this arc. In that manner you will get point N. This cutting point, intersecting point, will name it as N. Similarly, from N, don't change the radius, but change the center. That means you fix your compass here and draw one more arc without changing the radius. And in this manner you will get point R. So in this manner we have got point M, point N, point R. Now you may say, what radius should we take? Any radius. If this AB is 100 mm, let us say you can take it as 30. So PM is 30. With 30 you have drawn the first step. Let me say it again. With PM radius is 20. Say 20, you have drawn this arc 20 mm. After you have drawn this arc, you mark this point M, and from point M you draw one more arc, again 20. You get this point N. After you got this point N, you again come to N and draw one more arc at R, same radius 20. In this manner you got these points M and R. After that, when you got these points N and R, from N, what you do, you take some other radius. Say now you take the radius, something other radius. Let us say 40 mm. So from N, you draw one more radius at the top, say 40 mm, like this. Again come to R, taking the same radius 40, you draw here one more arc radius 40. In this manner you will get one common intersecting point. That intersecting point you name it as O. Alright, in this manner you have got this point O. Next step, let us see. From that O, you simply drop one line joining O and P. That joining point, the joining line OP, will be a required perpendicular line. OP is the required perpendicular. Your final diagram should look like this. It should be completely drawn with the help of a pencil. So this finishes how to draw a perpendicular if a point is lying within the line itself. Let us see the next question. How to draw a perpendicular to a given line from a given point outside it. Now, in the previous question, the point P was lying within the line AB itself, but this time the point P is lying outside the line AB. But we see one thing, the point P is not lying away from the middle point, it's just above the middle point or somewhere nearby the middle point. Not within the line, but at the top of the middle point. You can just see by eye judgment that it is not that point P is not lying the extremities. Point P is not lying either near A or near B. Either near A or near B. The point P is lying somewhere at the middle. So this case is when the given point P is nearly over the middle of the given line. Then how to proceed? What you do? That point P is given to you, AB is given to you, say AB is 100 and point P is given to you. With P as center, draw an arc cutting AB at MN. Say you have taken here 40. You fix a point here and draw one arc at 40. Taking radius as 40, you draw this arc. And this arc will cut this AB at some point. And that point will be here, let us say M. This one is N. In this manner, we got 2 points M and N. Let us see the next step. Now, with M and N as center and radius greater than Mn. Now, after you fix this point on AB, M and N, say you got here as 70. I don't know how much you got. Just measure it. What is the distance of M to N? What is the distance? So the length is 60. So what it is called here? What it is said here? With M and N as center and radius greater than half of Mn. What is radius of Mn? Mn will totally, if the length of Mn is 60, then half of Mn will be 30. What they have told? To take a radius greater than 30, greater than half of Mn. What is half of Mn? 30. So greater than 30 will be 40. So you take a radius 40, you fix one point here and draw one radius from here at 40. Similarly, you bring your compass at point N and draw one radius with 40 mm. In this manner, you will get two arcs, this arc and this arc, and they will intersect at a point here. Let us say that point as R. So in this manner, we have got these points M, N and R. The next step, you simply join P and R, and this is your required perpendicular. And the final diagram should look like this. Let us see a next question. So let us say the next question. Now the previous one was if the point P was lying over the middle point, but here you see the point P is lying near B or near A, whichever case. In both the cases, whether the point P is lying near B or A, the procedure will be same. So the question is draw a perpendicular to a given line when the given point is nearly over the extremity. Our extremity means what? A is the extreme, B is the extreme. So near the extremity means above B or above A. So let us see the procedure. With A as center and radius AP, draw an arc. So I have taken this one as center and measure this point from A to P. What is the distance? And draw one arc like this. Okay, this arc will cut AB at some point. Let us see the next step. Now, in this step what we have done, we have taken this one as center and we have joined it, this line, and we have drawn one arc with the compass. Similarly, come to point B, we join this BP and draw one arc like this. First step I have taken A as center, I have drawn this green color arc CD. Now come to point B, take your compass, join this BP and draw this red color line. This green color line and red color line will intersect at some common point P and R. In the next step, you simply join P and R, and this is your required perpendicular. The final diagram should look like this. Okay, thank you.